हेलो। हेलो हेलो। साउंड आ रही है क्या भाई? हम्म। साउंड आ रही है क्या? हेलो। हेलो हेलो। साउंड आ रही है क्या भाई? नाइस नाइस। भाई चलो यार। So learning Jenkins for the first time. Jenkins. Jenkins.io. Nice. यार मैंने एक वीडियो देख रखा था ऑलरेडी। सो जिन लोगों को पता नहीं है, मैं फर्स्ट टाइम लाइव स्ट्रीम कर रहा हूँ, मैं सीख भी रहा हूँ। एंड if you wants to learn together, please watch this stream, and you can also support me if you want. And like, if I'm going somewhere wrong, you can suggest me like you have to do this. मैं डॉकर ऑन कर लेता हूँ। सो आई थिंक हम जेनकिंस इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं डायरेक्टली यहाँ से ना। डॉकर से भी कर सकते हैं। आई थिंक डॉकर विल बी सो मच इजी फॉर अस। चैट जीपीटी भी सर्च कर ही लेता हूँ मैं। यार ये सब छोड़ दो यार। हम्म। अगर की जरूरत पड़े तो कर लेंगे। मैंने टेस्ट ट्राई कर रहा था। चलो ट्राई करते हैं। सो डॉकर रन जेनकिंस। जेनकिंस मैंने ऑलरेडी डाउनलोड कर रखा था। सो अभी तक मतलब मैं दोपहर में ट्राई कर रहा था। सो it is already downloaded for me. If you are doing for the first time, it will obviously take time, and it is live now at localhost 8080. Now it will be asking us password. We need to get into this. So हमें docker exit करना पड़ेगा. So forgetting the password, docker exit. Okay, so docker ps कंटेनर का आईडी ले लेते हैं। डॉकर exec bash. He got into this, and um what was this? We need to go it here. um, Sorry, मैं मोबाइल देख रहा था actually, and this is the password, guys. So
What
is
is
wrong.
wrong here now?
What's wrong? ओके, चलो हम एंटर कर गए। Suggest. So it will take some time and चलो देख लेते हैं। For the first time, क्या prompt डाला भाई? I want to learn Jenkins. I have already started it locally. What should I explore first? Go first. Let's see ये हुआ कि नहीं। Let it complete, guys. Let it complete. थोड़ा सा टाइम तो लेगा, तब तक हम पढ़ लेते हैं। Understand CI/CD, what is continuous integration, deployment, Jenkins automate build test deployment, Jenkins architectures, you know. Hmm. So, सब बेसिक तो आर्किटेक्चर्स वगैरह हैं। Hmm. आर्किटेक्चर इंस्टॉलेशन एंड UI आई थिंक इंस्टॉल हो गया है। हम यूजर बना सकते हैं अब डायरेक्टली। So, 1 second. Okay. सूरज, मैं डिफॉल्ट सब में सूरज डाल दे रहा हूँ पासवर्ड। अभी तो लोकल उसमें ही चलेगा। आई थिंक हम जेनकिन सेटअप कर चुके हैं। नाइस। यूआई देख लो भाई एटलीस्ट। डार्क थीम कर ले। आई थिंक डार्क थीम सही रहेगा। Sorry for the disturbance and we क्या क्या करना है भाई? Using Jenkins, this data content includes pipeline. Best practices, automate job definition. इनका वीडियो तो देख सकते हैं। वीडियो कौन देखने जाए? We have ChatGPT, the ChatGPT coders, master controller, and ये तो सही है. Like so, guys, like GitHub Actions. Unlike GitHub Actions, Jenkins is not self. Jenkins is not hosted. So हमें खुद डॉकर से like चलाना पड़ा locally. एंड अगर के प्रोडक्शन में हमें चलाना होगा तो वी नीड टू सेल्फ फर्स्ट, माइट बी. उसके लिए भी अलग कॉस्ट कटिंग एंड ऑल. ए सेल्फ फर्स्ट लाइक ऑलरेडी होस्टेड कोई वो है क्या? होस्टेड जेनकिंस. जेनकिंस सिक्योरिटी, ऑटोमेट जेनकिंस सिक्योरिटी, जेनकिन. जेनकिन को खुद से तो वो करके देना चाहिए था ना, एटलीस्ट. हाउ टू होस्ट जेनकिन फॉर फ्री, कंसीडर सर्विस लाइक this, yeah, which is free source of expertise. Hmm, okay, कोई ना. We'll go set up a distributed build first. Create a job. First build. Freestyle pipeline multi configuration project. Freestyle रखते हैं हम लोग. Okay. पूछते हैं पहले से. Plugins, git plugin, git plug, blue ocean. Blue ocean क्या है भाई? Docker plugin for container builds later. Okay. Freestyle project. Hmm. Freestyle pipeline multi configuration project. Okay, going good. First pipelines. Discard old builds. ये क्या क्या है भाई? अभी तो throat away. This is parameterized. Source code management. अभी git का डाल दें. एक कौन सा बिल्ड था by the way? ये डॉक्स डॉक्स तो क्या ही पड़े यार. कोई डॉक्स है? जेनकिन डॉक्स. जेनकिंस बिगना डॉक्स. ट्यूटोरियल देख सकते थे बट declarative syntax scripted pipeline using pipelines. Oh, so free um, creating the job in freestyle style. What are the things I set up and the options I might have to do? Let's check. Why plain text discard old builds GitHub checks this build but my total build क्या होता है भाई? This one too we understand we need to put git URL and all. Yeah. But once we do it for that thing, environment is terminate build stuff. Add build step. Execute cell. Cell command is like first build इसको कॉपी पेस्ट कर दो build and यहाँ पे कुछ करा सकते हैं क्या some okay mkdir hyphen p um, इसका कमांड क्या है hyphen p and then devops folder devops devops ऐसे ही लिखने रहता है ऐसे ही लिखने रहता है कि नहीं कैसे लिखते हैं भाई chat gpt is this command good is command correct हम तो बड़ा वाला ही सिलेक्ट करेंगे भाई name whatever I want to name and then I think I did good. I think I did good. Okay. So ऐसा बंद करो. Will come when it will come. Post save. What we need to do it here? What will be the trigger where it is? General write a short description that will do its optional discard old build skip only lives on git project and paste to github if hosted. Source code management is essential. The private preference that I don't think we know it is. Trigger, it's okay. Right now, we'll do it later. Might be. ठीक है. I mean, let's see if it will run. Okay, it got succeeded. How to see? How to see the logs? Where is the log? Console output. Started by Suraj Sukarma running a system. So basically there is a master and the agent mode, so it is running on system only. I mean the Docker container which we are running. So ls it might somewhere it will be in like which folder home might be cd home ls don't have so might be in root. Where does it create the folder right? So first wheel echo first wheel so it is like the first wheel console and it might have done this is build end and success but I am not able to see where it has made the things. Edit builds delete timing changes status हम जेनकिंस थोड़ा सा देखते हैं क्या होता है. So what is workspace now here? DevOps. Oh, DevOps. DevOps is a workspace. What first will DevOps? Built-in node. Hey. I think we need to do it somewhere here only. CTC home. Let's ask this, no? This guy. Changes. What are the changes? Console output is to here. We understood this. So it is here, I guess. First will. We need to go in workspace this thing. So we need to go it here. PD too many arguments. I think this thing. I think less. Oh, let's go. Devos is to coming here. Let's go. It means it is running. We could do more something more. Okay. एक और चला के देखेंगे अब कुरफाती तो करेंगे ही ना build now go configure more and we'll write it more something more what you could write um right okay let's ask this game okay right now we are making the freestyle workflows or pipeline workflows or pipelines and self-hosting Jenkins on Docker locally and checking. So basically, the all the builds are running on the system which is master, right? So it follows like architecture was master, which is controller, and the agent, which is worker nodes. How jobs are distributed. What it is saying. Correct. When you run Jenkins locally, Salesforce and Docker or bare metal, all builds runs on same system where Jenkins master controller is running, unless you explicitly what do you call this? Explicitly configure separate agent nodes. Sorry everyone. थोड़ा तबीयत इश्यू चल रही है भाई. Like whenever I get time, I will be learning like how I'm learning right now. So all the tools day by day, and I will progress myself. It will be good for you if you do with myself, me on the live session only, or it's okay. I'll be learning myself only. Like if you were there, then it would be very easy for me or you to do like what you are doing right now and what I am doing. But also the like YouTube audience is very difficult, different for us. Developers might be developing something. Mm, okay, so like I want to configure. So basically, these are the shell commands. Now I want to run more shell commands. Shell commands. Give me some more. Okay, let's go. So for us to see, so this is first build and making Devops folder, listing files, ls, the listing how many files are there, creating sample files. Sorry guys, writing to config files like env development They're like writing in JSON, checking this spaces. This I didn't know. Who am I? PWD Devops. Okay, let's run this. So build now. Build has been scheduled and it's already done also. Let's check the logs. It took 43 milliseconds, 80 ms build duration. Okay, बहुत जल्दी हो गया. Nice. Oh shit. So it was running here. First build. ये क्या था भाई? Damn. Okay. I think it was the command which ran from here to there. We could directly come here and check it ran here only, no? Maybe they are unlisting all the total tools. So this was the files which some files like touch DevOps left. Okay, so DevOps में बना हुआ है. CD, let's go to DevOps and check it. Okay, nice. It came. So it's working. Echo creating sample, creating sample files, touch. So app.js and config.json is here in the Docker master like controllers node. Mm, it also ran like checking this spaces and all. It was this much. Size was this much G in the sense what? Okay, MB. I would consider GB only, gigabytes. M will be MB might be. And yes, who am I is Jenkins. So I'll run here also. Who am I? Yeah, it is giving Jenkins. PW is basically again this one. So this thing there is space. We have to give it a like one word thing. Echo displaying file content, cat DevOps. This we could do. We also can do. Okay, ENV development. Echo cleanup old logs RM logs. Yes. Okay, so it is working, no? It is all working for us. So what we can do now? What else it has? So the first, no, the first was it ran very good. So the first was like freestyle में हम we could run any shell commands, right? Here, sorry, configure. Let's go. So it was build step in only one step only we did. We could write one more step. Execute window batch command, invoke and I'm not sure about these all things. Set build status to pending on GitHub commits. Let's ask this one, What are these and what is the uses of this? All options. We go install the connections. Okay, so let's try one by one. Execute window batch commands. Run commands in Windows CMD. Used if Jenkins runs on Windows system. But we are running on Ubuntu, like it's running on Docker. So it's a Ubuntu, I guess, Ubuntu Docker container. It will be based on that only. So we are able to run whoami and all commands. So this is to not possible. Execute shell. This we already done. Invoke and for Java project built using Apache Ant. Okay, execute build.xml targets. So this we might not be needed. Java we doesn't work also. Invoke Gradle script. Yeah, Gradle is I have heard of Gradle name. Even like used for build all Gradle. Okay. Gradle is a open source build system for choice of Java and Android. So like what I understood like कि Jenkins is built on top of Java. It is built on top of Java and it has um support of every Java native like frameworks and commands like frameworks and उसमें जितने भी चीजें रहते हैं if something has some project has been built on Java it might have the support of Jenkins. That's why I guess. Okay. इन्वोक टॉप लेवल मैवेन टारगेट मैवेन तो हमारा इस बार सो guys who are not who doesn't know I am like Surya Vishwakarma so I'm in third year of my BTech so right now in major subject like minor subject I have chosen DevOps so that's why I'm practicing also and in first semester like right now I'm in first semester of third year. So I have Git and Maven. So Git though everyone knows and Maven I'm not sure. I need to learn this also. Apache Maven. We'll explore someday. First of all, like Git I already know. GitHub I already know. CI/CD actions, GitHub actions we know. I'm moving to Jenkins. By the way, like I know I'll just list my thing. So like I already know Docker, Kubernetes, AWS, Git, GitHub, Linux we already know. One day we'll do Linux commands also. Every Linux command like basics to advanced we'll do. And right now I'm like doing this. We'll also try and do using like connecting Git and all those. But um, as we are running on local host, we need to like host on the web also so that we could do. So let's do that. Um, First we'll leave off and then Jenkins. Let's make one more item or what is this now? View. What is view and what is items? Items. Okay. So this will be like node project, node slash app or more specific bun app, bun. It's a EC2 like this, so it will be pipeline. I have already configured this thing like GitHub smart. You want to hear this? You want to listen the live stream? I just like I can't feel like I don't have live. Yeah, but I want you to listen like one time. One time, like how is my voice and all? Smart face. Huh? Yes, it's this one. My first live stream. Yo! Let's go! You know what I'm learning? Jenkins. It is basically CI/CD pipeline, continuous integration and delivery slash deployment. My voice is proper now. How, how is the voice without like my system mic is almost performing well now? Go back and watch. Go back and like listen the audio. So I already have one. I was trying 6 hours back. Huh? Yeah, I'm not showing myself. Camera is not on. Yes, what on? Don't on. On that one, huh? Yeah, already. Voice might be. Huh? No. I want the first one from you. No, not the first one. I guess one of my subscribers watched already. Watched it for 2 minutes and then left. Yeah. Because, see, listen, no one cares like what is Jenkins and all. It is only for my sake. And it is not for everyone. What do you call that? There's a phrase, no? A caliber also, and one more phrase is like, सबकी बस की बात नहीं है, and what do you call that? It's not everyone's cup of tea. It's not everyone cup of tea. Everyone's cup of tea. So, like, only developer can like see now, and that too. Huh? Yeah. So I was thinking of my startup also. I thought of your talking to your team members and give them a reality check. Actually, I have already spoke to them. Okay. What did they told? I like told ki these all things are the problems we need to discuss, and they told like I will have a talk this night only, this evening only. But till now they have. Huh? Okay. Next time, like today, that is okay. But like as we had yesterday only we thought of not this ideas and all. We had distilled in. Yeah, that is possible. Or maybe also I will get some idea and I will give my idea. Yeah. It's possible if I will get some. Okay, okay. It's not just to let's follow the go reality. It's also more like if I can improve in some way, then I will. Yeah. Actually, like we were talking in corporate languages. We? Yeah. You feel that sometimes. Yeah, I feel too. Like, apart from the common English, we try to use some corporate phrases. That is good for us only, no? Then. Not for me. Okay. No, I'm not saying that. Like, who knows if you are going or not? Like, who knows that we are going for corporate or not? Yeah, that's also true. Hmm, that's true, true. Yeah, for sure. Like, if you're thinking for big, we might have achieved some the smallest steps, or we could start some like at least achieve some half or more than half of the steps. No, if let's suppose like 10 steps are there, then we could 7 to 8. We can not seven like that. At least six we could achieve. No. What happened? Okay, so what I have done, like let me make one more. So I'll explain you once again. So I'll go to new items and I will be making one more projects, like making one more job. So this time we are doing not a freestyle. So freestyle we already did because like it was in master slash worker notes. So I already told like it's not everyone's cup of tea, you know. Even he also watched, but he doesn't understand everything, no? Will not understand. Yeah, so what? So internet, we are not live on camera first of all. Only screen. YouTube, this is the thing. I'll just show you. I'll mute it. He also watched, but he doesn't understand everything, no? Will not understand. Huh? Yeah, so what? So internet, we are not live on camera first of all. That's good for the screen. You know, it's good for me. I'm recording myself. YouTube, this is the thing. I am live. I'll just show you. I'll mute it. It also was, but he doesn't understand everything, no? Will not understand. Hmm. It's like multi-part. Huh? Yeah, so what? So internet, we are not live on camera first of all. That's good for the screen. Okay, bro. It's good for me. I'm recording my YouTube. This is the thing. I am live. I'll just show you. I'll mute it. It also was, but he doesn't understand everything, no? Will not understand. Hmm. It's like multi-part. Yeah, so what? So internet, we are not live on camera. Like that's good for the screen. Okay, bro. It's good for me. I'm recording my YouTube. This is the thing. I am live. I'll just show you. I'll mute it. It also was, but he doesn't understand everything, no? Will not understand. Hmm. Let's make one more. It's like multi-part. Yeah. He does everything. Like so internet. Yeah, we are not live on camera. Like that's good for the screen. Okay, bro. It's good for me. I'm recording my YouTube. This is the thing. I am live. I'll just show you. I'll mute it. It also was, but he doesn't understand everything, no? Will not understand. Hmm. I saw this. It's like multi-part. Yeah. He does everything. Like so internet. Yeah, we are not live on camera. Like that's good for the screen. Okay, bro. It's good for me. I'm recording my YouTube. This is the thing. I am live. I'll just show you. I'll mute it. It also was, but he doesn't understand everything, no? Will not understand. Hmm. I saw this. It's like multi-part. Yeah. He does everything. Like so internet. Yeah, we are not live on camera. Like that's good for the screen. Okay, bro. It's good for me. I'm recording my YouTube. This is the thing. I am live. I'll just show you. I'll mute it. It also was, but he doesn't understand everything, no? Will not understand. Hmm. I saw this. It's like multi-part. Yeah. He does everything. Like so internet. Yeah, we are not live on camera. Like that's good for the screen. Okay, bro. It's good for me. I'm recording my YouTube. This is the thing. I am live. I'll just show you. I'll mute it. It also was, but he doesn't understand everything, no? Will not understand. Hmm. I saw this. It's like multi-part. Yeah. So internet. Yeah, we are not live on camera. Like that's good for the screen. Okay, bro. It's good for me. I'm recording my YouTube.
I am live. Everyone does the whole body dance and everything. But cannot explain so much. So why so much difference? So everything else is not behind not live on camera. Like I am live. Does the whole body dance and everything. But cannot explain so much. So everything else is not behind not live on camera.
मेरा शायद से वॉइस आने लगेगा, सॉरी गाइस। उस टाइम से मेरा स्ट्रीम ऑन था। मेरा शायद से वॉइस आने लगेगा, सॉरी गाइस। उस टाइम से मेरा स्ट्रीम ऑन था। Hello, hello. So let's do it again. So what I have done is using ng-grok. So in grok, ng-grok. So basically it's a platform which for short duration, like trying testing webhooks and this kind of stuff, we could like do is forward the localhost into web. So what it does, I'll just show you. What is the use case of ng-grok? Webhook testings and all those API gateway stuff before going to web, what might be coming. So I am running this and this will be running on the that. So okay, so now do it this. We'll do it this one. We'll go and let me check. अरे यार. C means you know what? Who is that C girl? Who is that C? Okay, so this is like I have done this. Now I need to configure this one app, and as I have already given the triggered as git hook and this HCM git repository URL I need to give. I need to pass. Go to HTTPS. Come here, and we need to give it here. So it's a public repository, so no need to pass credential, and it's on main branch. So let's configure this to be on main branch, and Jenkins files will be writing. So path will be on the root itself. What will you get? Yeah, what will you get? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. So here we need to edit this, and it's asking the pass key. So basically from here, where is it hosted? It is hosted on this. I need to keep it here. Um, GitHub webhook. This I will remove it and I'll paste it here. I think. Okay, so last में forward slash देना ही देना रहता है. So because अगर connect देंगे तो प्रॉब्लम कर जाएगा, and it will like I saw in a tutorial where if he was not giving it, it was not running. It is hosted on Scylla.intenseless thermatically.ngground.fi. Okay, whatever it is. And secrets. It is already hosted on HTTPS, so no need to worry about the SSL. And so this is like all where when we wants to like listen this, just the push event, like whenever we'll push onto GitHub, or you could do like whenever someone is raising a PR, or might be much conflict, or might be every event will be listen for every stuff, and will update it. So I have updated it, and this thing, like this stuff, I'll do it. I'll just clean this, sorry, clone this, and I already have the Git open. Ah, right now also echo is there. अरे भैया, ये वो चेक करो, इको आ रहा है क्या? अरे यार, हाँ? नहीं आ रही? और इको करो, लाइव करो, नहीं आ रही है? अरे अरे भैया, so let's go to coding folders. Coding folders, make new file folders. Jenkins, cd Jenkins, and here I will clone it. And once we clone this, git ec2, we'll open it into VS Code. What it did? So we have to make one files. This will delete it right now, or we could do something. Okay, I'll just show you also. Or so we need to do bun I also. I'm using bun, and this is just this is just like some routes who are like I posting ID and getting the ID, and it has integrated post DB database. Okay, so it's like when we do on GitHub, like GitHub Actions, when we use GitHub Actions, we use like uh, dot workflows dot GitHub slash workflows slash like whatever like CICD C dot what do you call it dot YAML, right? We have to make workflows inside dot GitHub folders, right? And here on the root files for Jenkins, we need to make a file Jenkins files, and now here we can write any pipelines. So basically, I am also new, so I will be writing along with like I did this using GPT only, so I'll be doing along with us. So let's keep this aside so that nobody could get harm. Keep it here. Now let's see the syntax. How do we write the Jenkins files? Jenkins file syntax. Syntax. Pipeline syntax. Using a Jenkins file. So Jenkins files is like this. Jenkins declarative pipeline. I will this we already called groovy syntax. So I'll just paste it. So we need to declare a pipeline and agent. As I told you, like it work as worker. One is master node, one is the master node, and one is the like one as much as work as needed, right? Like this only. And so there's a pipeline agent we can for right now we are running on master nodes only. So we don't have to declare. So we can write any. We could we could go on Friday. I have only one class, so that's it. And we need to do it like stages. And stage and inside the stages we need to declare a stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. So build, eco building, testings and deploying. Right now we are not doing any stuff like Docker build and all. This would be enough. We need to test this also. So let's commit something so that I'm committing here. I hope it will be get committed. Okay. So as we get like committed this on the this thing, you need to check if the build has been started or not. So there, okay, we can listen that there is a build one build has started, finished waiting also right now, like it's working. So as we can see, one build has started. It was not triggered by V basically. So like this was it. 1 second. So it got like oh that also, and you can see the so we could like do as I had pushed into the GitHub this repo. So using the GitHub this webhook. So webhook is basically um what we call webhook is basically it kinds of long polling only, but it keep on checking how it's like keep on checking how like if is there any event like detected or not. It's like event driven architecture. So if any stuff like um any like push event was there, pull event was there, so it will automatically get detected, and it will you know run these um run this job. So as you saw this, that this was this ran successfully, and for it was just like this only, no? So it was to just only like I we wrote like just building, testing, and deploying. So we should be getting that logs here. Um, so as you can see, we got a log here, building, testing, deploying, and then finished. So we could do one more thing, that I have a Docker file here. What? आज हम कुछ कर रहे हैं क्या? किसमें? इंट्रोडक्शन? आज समराइज करने के लिए बोले थे ना? वही? What is that? Studio mode. I'll open the studio, yeah. So, uh,
हेलो हेलो
what
हेलो।
we'll do now,
साउंड आ
that
रही है क्या भाई?
I'll build this Docker file, and we have Jenkins file. We'll try to do that. We'll try whenever we push to this Git repo, we'll build the Docker
साउंड आ
file
रही
here,
है क्या?
and we'll
हेलो
push it
हेलो हेलो।
onto Docker Hub.
साउंड आ रही है क्या भाई?
For that,
नाइस
so
नाइस।
like how we will do, like if we
भाई
try
चलो
to do
यार।
using GitHub Actions. For that there is
So
a GitHub
learning
Actions already
Jenkins for the
present, right?
first time.
But here we need
Jenkins.
to do using like
Jenkins.io।
bash only, I guess. So let's do
ये
it.
मैंने एक वीडियो देख
For
रखा था
building
ऑलरेडी।
it,
सो जिन
we
लोगों को
could
पता नहीं
do
है, मैं
like
फर्स्ट टाइम लाइव
this
स्ट्रीम कर रहा
this
हूँ, मैं सीख भी रहा हूँ।
check out.
एंड
So checking out the source code,
if you wants to learn
we
together,
don't have
please
to check out
watch this
here.
stream,
So
and
basically we have to
you
git
can
clone, right?
also support me if you want.
Um,
And like
git clone
if I'm going somewhere
and
wrong,
the git repo
you can
URL.
suggest me like you have to do this.
Git repo URL is this, and we'll give it like this. Now,
मैं डॉकर रन कर लेता हूँ।
git branch main and URL is this. Okay, okay. So syntax is a bit different. We'll check it out from here also. Check out the code. How? Where is the check? Let's check. Search. Check out code. So
Hmm.
this though we already know. It is using shell and make like
So
make file are there, no? So it using
आई
that thing.
थिंक हम
But
जेनकिन्स इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं
as this
डायरेक्टली यहाँ से ना। डॉकर से भी
they
कर
had
सकते हैं।
given,
आई थिंक डॉकर विल
that
बी सो
we
मच
will
इजी
do
फॉर अस।
using this thing.
चैट
We'll
जीपीटी भी
search it
सर्च कर ही लेता हूँ मैं।
over here.
यार ये सब छोड़ दो यार। हम्म अगर की जरूरत पड़े तो कर लेंगे। मैंने टेस्ट ट्राई कर रहा था। चलो ट्राई करते हैं। सो
Two voices?
डॉकर रन
What the fuck, भाई? Where is the two voices, right?
डॉकर रन जेनकिन्स।
Where it is running?
जेनकिन्स मैंने ऑलरेडी डाउनलोड कर रखा था। सो अभी तक मतलब मैं दोपहर में ट्राई कर रहा था। सो it is already downloaded for me. If you are doing for the first time, it will obviously take time, and it is live now at localhost 8080. Now it will be asking us
it will be asking us password. We need to get into this. So हमें docker exit करना पड़ेगा. So forgetting the password, docker exit.
Okay, so in
Docker
Docker
ps
PS container का ID ले लेते हैं.
docker
Docker exec bash.
we
We
got
got
into
into
this.
this and
Um,
what
was
was
this?
this? We need to go it here. Um,
Sorry,
मैं मोबाइल देख रहा था actually. And this is
the
the
password,
password,
guys.
guys. So what
Is
is
wrong.
wrong here now?
What's wrong? Okay, चलो हम enter कर गए. Suggest. So it will take some time and चलो देख लेते हैं. For the first time, क्या prompt आता है भाई? I want to learn Jenkins. I have already started. Okay, so this will push it to Docker Hub. I think my array yaar, what it gave? So
What
many things. No?
should I explore first?
Push to Docker Hub with credential, username, credential, Docker credential. So okay, I think this we need to learn. This we need to learn with credential stuff. How do we manage environment variables inside Jenkins files? How do we manage Jenkins?
Let it
How
complete,
do
guys.
we
Let it
how
complete.
do we manage the environment variables in Jenkins? Go to manage Jenkins
थोड़ा सा
system
टाइम
config.
तो
Okay,
लगेगा
so
तब तक हम
we
पढ़
need
लेते
to
हैं.
come here
Understand
onto
CI/CD,
this
what is
bun app
continuous integration,
and
deployment, Jenkins
where it
automated
was
test
go
deployment,
to
Jenkins
manage
architecture.
Jenkins as system configuration.
Yeah.
We need to come here, go to manage. Okay, okay, so we need to manage this. Where is that stuff? Configure. Let's go here. And this though looks good only. But where is manage stuff? Stage, what is stages? Stages तो like that only. And no, 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 changes. Okay, let's go here. Okay, this was the things they were talking. I need to go to
I think
systems
install हो गया है.
configuration.
हम यूजर बना सकते हैं
This
ऐप
for now we can do it.
डायरेक्टली.
This also. System configuration. Where is system configuration? Tools, preparing.
So
Okay,
one
system. Okay,
second.
system configuration tool, not appearance, cloud plugins. Where is it? We need to go to system configuration. Go
मैं
to manage
डिफॉल्ट सब
Jenkins
में
and the
सूरज डाल
system
दे रहा हूँ पासवर्ड.
configuration. Configure global setting and path. Might be this. configure tools and the location automatic and restore
तो
control
लोकल उसमें ही
monitoring
चलेगा।
jobs. Jenkins
आई
cloud. I
थिंक
think we need to go
जेनकिन
here
सेटअप
only.
कर चुके हैं।
Okay, so home
नाइस।
directory system access
यूआई देख लो भाई कैसा है इसका।
executor
डार्क थीम कर ले।
Jenkins. Where we need to go?
डार्क थीम सही रहेगा।
Manage Jenkins and the systems. Timestamp. अरे भाई, what do we need to do?
Sorry
Project
for the
name, list of
disturbance and
email
we
notifications. It is not here. Manage
क्या
Jenkins
करना है भाई।
and then system
security
and then
design
configuration.
Jenkins
Where we have to do
restart
understanding.
maintenance
Okay, let's
plus
keep it.
pipeline
So, top 13 Jenkins alternative. अरे भाई कहाँ
best
है?
practices
Where is it?
automate job definition।
Okay,
तो
so
गलत है देख सकते हैं।
okay guys, I will end this system and then I'll be
वीडियो
learning
कौन देखने जाए।
and resume. I'll
चाय पट्टी
continue
चाय
in
पट्टी
later half.
कॉलेज।
Might be tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I'll start from here
मास्टर
only where we
कंट्रोलर
have to
ये तो सही
start
है
like
लाइक।
writing
So
pipelines and we
guys,
have to
like
get
GitHub Actions,
like build
like
muscle
GitHub
memory
Actions,
writing the
Jenkins is not
writing the
self. Jenkins is not hosted.
yeah, this was running shit. That's why two voices were there. I was the one. I don't have to manage that, bro. I think that I'll do it. Okay, I'll continue this later. Thanks for seeing. जो भी आया था निकित, Purna and Harsha. Thank you, bye. And Yusuya and all. I'm stopping.